Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in this series we're putting together this little sales page or sales funnel type page that for our MacBook here. We did this slider last time. It's going to end up looking like this one here. In this one we're going to build a little countdown for urgency to let people know that the sale is not going to last forever. This site's like a funnel. It's got videos and hero sections and images and prices, and of course you can click that and buy the product now. So let's continue. I'm going to enable my visual builder. Once enabled, I'm going to go down to below our slider here. I'm going to add a new section. I'm going to make it a regular section. Inside I'm going to put one column, one row. Now this is going to be a counter, so I'm going to simply go down to countdown timer. I'm not going to have a title, I just want to show a timer counting down to the perhaps when you want to stop the sale on whatever it is that you're selling. And set the time, it's got the regular date highlighted, put it to whenever you want to stop or count down to, and you're good to go. You can change the hour here. It's 24 hours, so if you want it to count down to 5 AM, hit the minute slider, you can take it down to 0 or 59. Just set it to where you want it. I think that's a little early. Let's say 8 AM on the 25th. And it'll count down to that time. Link. Don't think I want to link it at the moment. Might decide to link it to the actual price tables when we do those. Background, I'm going to get rid of that background. Just simply hit the trash can. And you can't see anything because it's white writing now on a white background. I'm going to save that. I'm going to give our section itself a background color. So I'm going to hit the blue tab, the cog. I'm going to go to background, and I'm going to give it the purple color we've been using. Now you can see our little countdown. Now to make it a little more interesting, let's have a gradiated background. Let's make it a gradient. So we'll start off with purple and then with perhaps black at the bottom. So let's go over to gradient. I'll hit gradient. Top color, I'm going to make that purple. There we go. And bottom color, I'm going to make that black. There we go. I've got way too much space top and bottom, so I'm going to go to our design, I'm going to go to spacing, and I'm going to take away any padding top and bottom. So I'm going to put 0 in the top and 0 in the bottom. Now I've still got more than I want there, so let's go into our row and see if there's padding we need to take away there. We'll go into the row, we'll go to design, and we'll go to spacing there as well. Top and bottom, I'll put 0 in. We may want to change that though. Yeah, that's looking more like it. Let's just save our changes and have a look at it on the front end. May want to take it down a little bit more with the padding on the module itself. Let's just save our page changes and exit the visual builder. Let's go down and take a look. Yeah, I think that's going to work absolutely fine. Good. So what I'm going to do, I want to reuse this module. I'm going to have it further down the page so it sort of gives them more of a sense of urgency. If I show you on this one, I've got a timer halfway down the page here, as well as just below the slider at the top. So that's absolutely fine. What I'll do is enable my visual builder again. I'm going to go down. I'm going to save my section. So I'm going to go into the section tab, the blue one right here. And you've got a little round icon there. If you left click on it, save section to library. I'm going to give it a name of timer. and I'm going to save it as a global item. What that means is wherever else I put this on this site, I'm going to put it here further down the page. It's going to be on the product page and probably on the checkout page as well, just so it gives people a sense that they better do it before the timer runs out. If I keep it as a global item, when I change it in one place, it will change all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So there we have it. If you wanted to make it a little skinnier, you can still go into the actual section itself, into the design, to spacing. What if we take the padding away, top and bottom, 0 and 0? Probably not going to be, yeah, it's too much. I'm going to say 20 and 20. That'll probably work. Let's save that and see what we've got, and I think we're done. Exit the visual builder. Yeah, there we go. That's going to work for me. Like I say, we'll be using this in other places too. Great. So in our next video, we'll do our little stats section. There we go. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and WebDesignAndTechTips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.